Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2019 Galeon 500 Fly. Starting at the back of the boat, submersible hydraulic swim platform. This does have the stairs that deploy as the hydraulic platform goes down into the water, making it kind of a teak beach, so to speak. Great way to get in and out of the water, especially if you have kids with you. As we move across the platform, one thing I definitely want to point out is the absolutely enormous storage space in the trunk of this boat. It is large enough to fit all the gear for as long as you plan on being gone, whether that's a day, a week, or a month. You do have dual entrances into this boat, so you can enter on both the port and starboard side. As we move up to the cockpit. Cockpit seating, great spot for 3-4 people. Nice place to hang out, catch a little sun, get some breeze. Very, very great for entertaining, especially with the galley aft. Moving from the cockpit to the galley, you'll see the galley is up and aft, which really is one of the things that makes this boat so great for entertaining. Full galley, 2 refrigerators, microwave, cooktop range, and quite a bit of storage. The one thing you will notice is it does open up to the outsides. When the arms fold down on the side, you do have a bar on this side and an opening bench on this side. Again, really opens itself to the entertaining, having 10 people on board. Everybody's got space and you still get that indoor-outdoor feeling. So while I'm talking about the hardwood floors that you see all throughout the Galeon, I do want to talk about how vertically integrated they are. All of the hardwood floors is made in-house. They actually mill it and fit it on each boat, which really makes it much more tighter tolerances and that much cleaner, crisper of a boat. This being the Flybridge, we do have an upper and lower helm. Full electronics, bow and stern thruster. Very, very easy to dock, easy to maneuver boat. Powered by the Volvo D11 motors. So while you're in the main salon, whether you're using that for eating and entertaining, you do have the television that comes up opposite the salon. It does slide up for when you want to watch a movie or just catch up with the local news. As we keep moving forward, we'll move down towards the 3 staterooms. Again, wide walkways, very accessible, easy to get around even once you're down here, lots of light from above. Moving towards the master, which is a mid-cabin master stateroom. Full island queen bed, easy to get around, easy to access, easy to make. Lots of light from the very large windows on either side. Full storage locker, hanging locker. With again, room for as many jackets as you're going to need on a boat. Flat screen television and a nice small little vanity area. Don't want to miss washer and dryer. Then of course, being the master stateroom, you get a master head, separated shower stall, sink, and toilet. Moving forward, we'll go to the VIP stateroom. Lots of light from the overhead lighting. Windows on the side. Full queen size bed. Again, island bed, very easy to get around. You'll see storage compartments all around throughout the boat. Chargers on either side if you're charging up your phone at night. You still get a nice hanging locker, as well as access to the second head that's on the boat that does double as the day head. From the VIP stateroom to the 3rd stateroom, it's a great option to have on a 50-foot boat. You do have a bunkhouse style stateroom with another hanging locker. Great for kids, but it'll even work for an adults for a short amount of time. Call it a 3-day stint. With this being the 50 Fly Galeon, we do have a Flybridge to show you. Very, very nice access to it. Open teak staircase. It is stairs, not a ladder, so it's very accessible to everybody. So as we get to the Flybridge, you'll notice the first thing that you see is the entertainment space. You do have a full wet bar here, hot and cold water, an electric grill top, as well as an ice maker. Absolutely great for entertaining on the top side when you want a little more sun, a little more breeze, and a fantastic view. Moving forward, we do have the full helm station here port side. So again, you have control of the bow and stern thrusters, motors, full electronics, including radar, GPS. Forward of that, you can see a very large, spacious sun pad. Again, it's all about hanging out and entertaining on this boat. The more people you can get up here, the better time it's going to be. While you're entertaining, if you want a space to put some of your food, cocktails, drinks out, you still have that with a large seating area. It's a U-shaped seating with a reversible backrest. So when the boat is in full-on party mode, you'll notice all the extra space you have with the sides deployed gives you ample room to work your way towards the bow, which has great seating in its own right. You're going to have large stainless steel handrails all the way forward with room to spare. So large bow seating pit, backrest. Again, room for 6 very, very comfortably. Great spot to hang out. There is an optional table you can also set up. Again, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland on the 2019 Galeon 500 Fly. Stop in, give us a call. We'd love to get you out on the water.